So I'll be talking about how to extract groundnut oil from groundnut. Groundnut is a highly consumable product, like I said earlier. So a lot of people don't know what you can get from groundnut. Yes, they don't know what you can get from groundnut. Some people just know groundnut just like that. They don't know you can get oil and even cake, because that is what we call groundnut cake. They don't know what you can get from groundnut oil actually. So most people don't know groundnut can pay you twice, because you can make money from the oil which is extracted from the groundnut, and you can also make money from the cake which is gotten after the extraction of the oil from the groundnut, which is a good one. Groundnut is like gold which melts into money. Why so? Because you make money from the oil and you also make money from the cake. Like I said earlier, the product that has been, which is the solid product gotten from the, like, solid product gotten after the extraction of the oil, after the pressing out of the oil, which is also highly demanding in the market. You see the reason why I'm talking about processing, because if you have this processing machine that can extract oil from groundnut and also the product left after the extraction of your oil, you are in for business, because the farmers, the poultry farmers needs this product. Even the fish farmers need this product. So the cake is hot demand. Even if you can't even give it to the farmers, we humans, you can also use it for groundnut cake, which is also like a snacks for us. So it is always in demand. The oil is highly demanded. Even the cakes is also highly demanded. So it's a win-win situation. Yes, it's a win-win situation when you know what you are doing. That's why I'm always talking about processing. We should look into processing of these products, because at the end of the day, it is a win. And for you to be able to get this oil, you must have to, process them with machines. Yes, people do local way, like manual ways, using their, like, there's a manual way they use it to extract oil from groundnut. But I believe as a serious business oriented person, you will love to go for, a machine, a small press machine, you understand, so that you can be able to process these things for a commercial purpose, because you want to serve people demands and need. So you need to go for oil extractor that can be able to extract the oil from the groundnut. And now a small oil extractor machine costs around 500,000 to 2 million naira or so. Yes, these machines are not cheap. They are expensive actually. But if you have the means, if you have 500,000, you can be able to get it, and you are in for business. So since you want to offer value, you can go for valuable standard machines that can also serve your need and your purpose. And when you have your machine, you can start right from your backyard. Yes, and as you undergo your activities, you start producing and all that, you can supply to the market women, the restaurants, bakeries, like people that actually need this product. And definitely there is market for this product. You will definitely see people that will buy your product, so long you are able to produce this, produce these things they need. They are ready to buy, because there is a ready market for all these products. So you should note that the oil, the market women buy it. People that actually need the oil, they come and they buy it. And for the groundnut cake, the poultry farmers, they come and they take it 2 seconds. It won't waste time, because they actually need it for their animal feed production. So when you look at it, groundnut, it's a double income. It serves you two purposes: give you money from groundnut cake and also give you money from the oil. So one raw material, double income. So it's a good one at the end of the day.